And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a simple delete icon in Illustrator. We will use the rectangle tool first. Make sure you've got only a fill color, I'll use black for that. Select it and drag another rectangle on top of it, just like this. I'll reposition it. Maybe up to here. Now activate the direct selection tool, press A for that. Select only this anchor point, drag it to the right. After you've clicked on it, select only this anchor point up here, drag it to the left. And we will resize this one. That's fine. We will need another rectangle, so activate the rectangle tool once more, drag a rectangle, and drag these little circles inwards. I'll make the fill color white in this case, and I'll reposition it on top of the other rectangle. I'll hold Alt and drag a copy out of it and reposition it to the center, which is the left edge of what we already have. I'll select it all, hold Alt with the shape builder tool and get rid of the overlap. I'll select it all, then transform, reflect, make sure vertical is activated, and then copy. And I've created the left half of it. And I'll reposition it using the arrow keys. Just up to here. And we can connect the middle shape with the shape builder tool. And the left and right half of the black elements, I'll select them, holding shift and clicking on them and then making them black again. Now I'll activate the pen tool, I click on the path and then I'll hold shift so that it snaps in 45-degree increments. I'll center that properly. Make sure you've got it all selected, then center it. Just like this. Now it's in center, I'll select it once more, give it a black stroke and no fill, and now I increase the stroke size, maybe to 10 points. Select it once more, go to window and then stroke. This little menu opens and make the corners round. Let me adjust the bottom part a little bit, and that looks fine. We can select it all, right click and group, and this is our delete icon, a simple trash can created in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.